Good morning, guys. It is a beautiful Sunday. It is 7 a.m. in the morning. You got a ticket?
Yeah. For what, sweetie? Yeah. Is she following you now? Was that? She following you now? That's her right there?
Was her name Fowler?
I didn't see the name, man. Oh, yeah, look, mine's sweating right now.
Yeah.
I went to the coffee shop. 2 minutes, right?
Yeah, okay.
They forgot about it, right?
Yeah.
We're good. Drink or something?
Now we're good.
No, we're good.
That just showed up here. We were literally just parked up chilling, and all these guys just pulled up. Whoo! Ooh, that's clean, bro. That's really clean. The carbon fiber and everything. Whoo! That is super clean, my dude. I'm Ethan.
Lucky.
Nice to meet you. That's cool.
I was about to go look for it.
S1K. Hell yeah. We got another R1 out here.
Was there a group of bikers that went down here like 30 minutes ago?
Yeah. Was it not y'all?
No, it was another like 20 minutes or 15 minutes.
We saw you guys all come by like this way, and then we just saw y'all come back, but
There's a group.
actually gonna join this huge group of bikes. Crazy that they just randomly pulled up on us like that. Gotta get the tires warmed up a little bit. We got a good group out here today. They going for it. Woo, I got a little slippage there. Tires are not fully warmed up yet. Totally by accident. We actually just got to a meeting spot with a bunch of dudes. We still got more rolling in. There's my boy Kyle. He just pulled up. Another R1. That thing is clean. A Hayabusa. Hayabusa boy out here. That's cool. I never see these. Oh, that's cool. He's got badges for track days. Heck yeah. Whew. This CBR is pretty cool too. We got a few more guys over there pulling up.
I love this.
Yeah, that's cool. Bro, do you see the boots over there?
No.
There's a Boosta boy. Crazy lineup. We have 3 or 4 R1s. 3 of them are the exact same. Like, that's not mine, but it looks exactly like mine. That one's not mine, but it also looks exactly like mine. This one's mine. There's my R1. That's crazy. That's crazy. Dude, that carbon fiber. Whoo! Yeah. Wow. Man, that's so insane. Got another R1 with forged carbon on it. Woo, look at that. Oh, couple of jigsers. I think that's an R6. That's definitely not an R1. That's an R6. That's cool. Got an R6 out here. Few jigsers, Hayabusa, ZX6. R1, S1K, S1K, R1, R1, CBR 1000. I don't know what that is, but that's cool actually. Look at the headlight. Oh, I do know what this is. I just don't know the name. I know what it is though. Triumph, Daytona, CBR, ZX10, Gigster 750, Ducati V4S, R1, Honda CBR 1600. Yep. Whew. It is crazy out here. Such a crazy lineup. So me and Kyle are gonna go run it real quick.
Tires warm again on this.
All right, here we go. Get some music going. Right back into it. Come on, Harris, get out of the way, buddy. Alright guys, we just got back to the house. We are all done with the ride. Everybody got home safe. Everybody made it out all good. I totally forgot to film an outro, but this is it. So thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment down below if you want to see videos like this in the future. And I will catch you guys in the next video.